Hey guys, welcome to PassFab channel. Last video, we introduced how to install iOS 17 Beta 1. If you find running lag after trying the iOS 17 beta. So, how to downgrade iOS 17 back to iOS 16. First, back up your iPhone with iTunes. Connect your iPhone to the computer. Tap Trust and enter your passcode. This will ensure that your iPhone data will not be lost. Once the backup is complete, click the link in the description to get iPhone Unlock. Launch iPhone Unlock and click Start. Click Next. The latest iOS 16.5 firmware is shown here. Click to download. Wait for the firmware download to complete. Click Start Remove. This process will remove the iOS 17 beta from the iPhone and install iOS 16.5. Wait for a while. Okay, iOS 16 installation is complete. Set up your iPhone. On the Apps and Data page, select the Data Recovery. This completes the iPhone data recovery. If you want to stay up to date with the latest iOS and Apple content, just subscribe to me. Let's keep digging for iPhone tips. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.